the governor pointing in part to vaccines.
So my message is the vaccines protect you, get vaccinated, and then live your life as if you're protected. You don't have to chafe under restrictions infinitum. And so I'm hoping that we're going to be able to get a little bit more uptake.
We checked in with local counties.
If you are vaccinated, fully vaccinated, the chance of you getting seriously ill or dying from COVID is effectively zero. If you look at the people that are being admitted to hospitals, over 95% of them are either not fully vaccinated or not vaccinated at all. And so these vaccines are saving lives. They are reducing mortality. These vaccines make it so that your chance of survival is pretty doggone close to 100%.
That's why state leaders like Governor Ron DeSantis and Senator Marco Rubio are encouraging Floridians to get their shots.
Everyone should be vaccinated. There's no reason not to be vaccinated. I'm vaccinated. My family's vaccinated.
CDC data shows transmission in Florida is high across the state, and hospitalization numbers are rising as well, which makes this the message that's trending on both sides of the aisle.
These shots need to get in everybody's arm as rapidly as possible.
You're saving lives, helping us get back our lives and our loved ones.
Vote on Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine. Governor Ron DeSantis says he expects all of Florida's nursing home and assisted living facility residents to get their first dose by the end of the month. The governor also wants the staff members of these facilities to be vaccinated as well. He made the comments during a coronavirus summit at the White House yesterday.
Be able to get it through, offer it to our healthcare systems, their tip of the spear, high contact workers, to be able to have them, well, they're going to be in a situation where they're going to be able to handle a patient load going forward.
Governor DeSantis says after that he wants to focus on getting the state's seniors not living in nursing homes or ALFs vaccinated as well.
We want to expand on some of our of what we've done with some of these large groups. We banned any of these groups from beaches, but we didn't necessarily do that for things like town squares or private residences. So I'm going to expand that guidance. So consistent with what the CDC says, you should not have any social group of 10 people or more. So that means, just because it's a private residence, you should not right now be having 50 people for a party. I mean, you see these images around the country, states that are on lockdowns, they're having these massive block parties in places like California. For us here, we want to respect that guidance. We'll end up being safer in the long run if we do. So that guidance would be for any type of social or recreational group, less than 10. Otherwise, it will violate the directive. And then we'll also direct that, and I know businesses have worked to do this, and we've worked with them to do it, but we really need all businesses, any non-essential business, to be promoting telecommuting. I think the goal should be to have at least 50% of your workforce who is telecommuting.